Alright, welcome to day 3 of Algebra 1. I'm obviously not here today, so I'm expecting really good behavior from you guys. But everything that we're doing should be in the packet that you guys got yesterday. So we're going to start off with 7.3. If you look in your packet, there are some warm-up problems, which are these problems written on the board. The first one should be x minus 2, x minus 2. So I want you guys to work on those problems. Try to do them on your own because that'll be a good evaluation of whether or not you understood what we were doing yesterday. If you can't do them on your own though, maybe ask a partner. And while you're working on them, just pause this video because I'm about to go over all of the answers. So pause it, try them on your own, and then when you're ready, we can replay the video. So, here we go. The first one says x minus 2 times x minus 2. This asks me to use, or this expects me to do the FOILing method, which we talked about yesterday. First, outer, inner, last. So when I do first, x times x, that's x squared. My outer comes out to be minus 2x. My inner also comes out to be minus 2x. And then my last is plus 4. And then since these are like terms, I can combine them, which means I get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Number 2, same thing. You should end up getting, I'm just going to actually click through on these. You should end up getting y squared plus 7y equals negative 18. Then z squared minus 8z plus 12. This next one will be 3x squared plus 22x plus 24. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. 5 should be 16x squared minus 64x plus 60. So if you're not good at your multiplying negatives here or combining two negative numbers, we should have on our outer negative 40, on our inner negative 24, and then together that's going to be negative 64 x's total. And then 6 is going to be 12a squared plus 27ab plus 6b squared. So even if there are two letters, it doesn't matter. We can still do that. The outer gives me 24 ab's. The inner gives me 3 more ab's, and the total I have 24 and 3, 27 ab's. When I do the first, I only have a's. A times a is a squared. When I do the last, I only have b's. B times b is b squared. So this one might be a little bit trickier if you're not super loving that letters can be numbers sometimes, but it's still all the same type of problem. Yeah, so that was the warm-up. Today, 7.3 is called special products of polynomials, so we're actually going to do the same basic math as what we learned yesterday in 7.3. The difference is that we're going to learn a couple times that you might be able to recognize when you could use a shortcut. So for those of you who this is enough for you to remember, you already have a skill that works, and you don't want to necessarily learn another trick, that's okay. You can use the method you already learned, but we're going to spend a couple minutes talking about what you can do if you do have special products. So the first two problems that you guys have should be 3x plus 4 squared and then 5x minus 2y squared. So if I were to FOIL this in the normal way that we already learned how to, I would put 3x plus 4 times another 3x plus 4. That's what this means, right? We're multiplying this by itself 2 times. I'm a little bit concerned right now because I'm realizing that this is recording it